following message is transmitted at the request of the Huntington Beach Police Department. Authorities are on a manhunt to track down 4 suspects responsible for an armed robbery at Farmers and Merchants Bank. At approximately 9:18 a.m., 4 men disguised as elves, wearing long green coats, hats, plastic pointed ears, and ski masks, entered the bank while waving AK-47 rifles and demanded bank employees to give them $100,000 in cash. After their demands were successfully met, the suspects drove off in a green minivan before police arrived at the scene. Residents living within 10 miles of Farmers and Merchants Bank are advised to remain indoors. If you see the suspects, do not attempt to apprehend them, but call 911 immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. 4 armed men dressed up as elves are on a shooting rampage at Venice Beach. At approximately 11:24 a.m., 4 individuals matching the description of the suspects responsible for an armed robbery at a bank in Huntington Beach began to open fire on innocent civilians at Venice Beach. So far, 12 people have been killed, with more injured. Residents living within a 15-mile radius of the Venice Beach are advised to remain in their homes, and to lock all doors and windows. Do not interfere with the suspects, as you may endanger your life by doing so.